Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another diamond painting haul. I have been buying kits, but honestly I had so many points saved up over the months that all those months you haven't seen hauls, yeah, I've had so many points from previous, and then a lot of the paintings that have been coming out I really want, or they've been on my list and waiting for them to restock. So I just have 4 today. And I love how just 4. It's not like these are cheap or anything. So I'm loving the new kits from Diamond Art Club. Honestly, I love everything that comes with them. It almost makes it, like the little accessories and whatnot, it makes it kind of more worth it, in my opinion. I also like the new packaging. So yeah, that's how you can tell it's one of the new ones, is the new style of the packaging. But I got Storytime by Amy Brown. Now this isn't a new kit per se, but it's in the new packaging. And I love how these this one, because Amy Brown, I'm an adult colorist, so I color a lot of her pages. So I was excited to finally get this one. It was actually, the second it popped up there, I was like, ooh, have to have it. So it is a round. It's 22 by 28, so it's fairly decent. Still big, but not like huge. And then here's another one. It is a new kit. It is Sleepy Fairy. Now, anything by Jamaica Murphy, I really like, because I have found that the kits have been rendered really pretty. 2 of the kits that I've already done of hers, one was Blueberry Fairy, I can't remember the name of the other. They turned out perfect. Absolutely adored the way they came out. So this one, when it popped up, she's kind of one of those other artists where if they pop up, I tend to auto buy, because I just know it's going to be gorgeous. So this is also a round. Hers are usually in round, but like I said, they turn out gorgeous. It's great. All right, this bad boy I have been trying to get my hands on forever. This is Song of Artemis from Margaret Morales. It's always sold out, like always. So I got that little notification, because you can put in your email and be like, hey, let me know when it's back. Well, the second you see those, especially for Margaret Morales, you better just jump on it, because within a few hours, those things are gone. So I finally got it. Isn't that such a pretty... Oh, it's going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It's a round. Usually hers are square, but I'm pretty excited, especially because we have ABs, iridescence, fairy dust, and electro diamonds. So it's got all of it. And it's also 22 by 28, so maybe I'll kit one of these up next. I don't know. I'm working on one of those small Dreamer Designs one right now, and I just can't decide. Okay, now for a big one. I should really look at the sizes before I buy these. Anyway, this is Nemesis. Isn't that beautiful? I was thinking of this for May because, Mermay. But then I'm like, I don't know, because this thing is 25 inches by 35 inches. It's big. It is a square drill kit. Again, 81 colors, so I can already tell this thing would take a while. So I need to start mixing and matching. Because it'll have only 1 AB, 1 electro, 1 special diamond, can't wait to see what that is, and 6 fairy dust. So yeah, but it's huge. So I have a feeling this is going to be a beast. 81 colors. Is that the most I've done? No, I had to have a kit with more than 81. Maybe it is the most I've ever done. I don't know, but that is my haul. Just 4 kits. Not that these are cheap. So I'm adding to my collection. There are some kits I'm going to be getting rid of soon. So I'll do another destash. And one thing I'm going to start doing is, because I tend to be I'll work on one painting. I don't know if anyone else is that way, but I'll work on one painting and that's it. But then I get burnt out. If I did this bad boy, I'd get burnt out. So I need to start kitting up a small one, medium to small, or even those Art Gem snack size ones, so I can feel accomplished in life. I think I'm going to start doing that. I know a lot of people do. I'm curious how many of you guys stick to just one painting and that's all you work on, or if you have multiples going so that you can kind of get a little bit of a relief if you're working on something complex. I'm just curious who all does that, because for me, I've always been nope, I'm working on just one, But now, especially after the last one I did, that was really big, and like I had 3 squares left, and I was like, I don't want to do it. 3 squares after like 10 days of work, and I'm like, no, I don't want to finish. So yeah, I need to start working on smaller ones, but in the meantime, I've got 4 new kits to play with. I'd love to know if any of you have snagged these, how they turned out, if you were kind of on wait lists for them, especially this one. Gosh, it took me a while to, it kept popping and I was too late. It popped like 3 times. 4 times is the charm. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, and until next time, take care. Bye now.